Today I'm going to show you how to disable pagination on Cisco iOS. So let me show you what I mean. So here I'm in CML or Cisco Modeling Labs, and I got two devices, one router connected to a switch. So I'm going to connect to the router, right click on it, console. And when I say disable pagination, I'm talking about this. So when I do show run, we see that the whole configuration is not shown, right? So it's not giving us the whole configuration. We have to press the spacebar. So I can click the spacebar again, more, and we need to press it a couple of times to see the whole configuration. So to disable the pagination, we need to use the command terminal length 0, because by default it's 24. So we're basically disabling it, right? Disabling the pagination. So I'm going to enter this command and I'm going to do show run again. And we see that the whole thing is now shown, right? So if I go up, so this is the command. So we see the whole configuration. So you can just do it on your session. So if I close my session, so exit again. Actually, I need to close this and open the console. Connect to the router via console again, enable, show run. And now we see that it's enabled again. So now we verify that disabling pagination only affects your current session. So it doesn't it doesn't apply permanently. Okay, so that's how to disable pagination on Cisco iOS. All right, so hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, please consider subscribing and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.